Hello friends, welcome to my channel Unity Guide, and today in this video I will solve this rotating sliding puzzle. So very interesting, very simple and very easy Rubik's cube. We can solve this cube very easily. So in this cube, before starting this cube, first I will introduce this cube. So we have total 4 color in this cube: purple, blue, yellow and red. And also in this cube we have this slide, so we can replace this side piece from this position. So we will use this slide. For example, these two purple I need to replace, so I will just rotate like that. So we have replaced these two red with these two purple. So for example, if I rotate like that, again we will bring this slide in this position, and again we will rotate. So again we can see we have rotate over these two blue with red. So we will use our this slide and we will replace our these pieces. So this is very easy Rubik's cube. And also I will introduce these cubes. So this is our rotating and sliding puzzle. This is 4 layer. This is also same like, and this is 6 layer. This is our another sliding beans cube. This is our cane cube. This is rolling spinner cube. So they are all very easy and very interesting, and I will provide all these solution in my description. So now I will scramble this cube and then I will show that how we can solve this cube. Okay, so I have scrambled my cube. So when we start to solve this cube, our first step, we will select any two color that we will save in this position, and we will separate any two color in this side. So any two color we can select. For example, if I select red and yellow, so I will collect all red and yellow in this position and then I will arrange these. Similar, if I can select blue and yellow, so I can collect blue and yellow in this side. So this is our side 1, this is our side 2, and we will replace our piece from side 1 to side 2 by using this middle slot like that. So I will select any two color. For example, if I select blue and purple, so in this side we will collect all blue and purple, and red and yellow we will collect in this second side. So this is blue, this is purple, this is also blue, so they are done. Again we will rotate in this side, then we will again bring this blue in this side, then rotate like that, match with this blue. Again we will save, again rotate like that, and we will place these two purple in this position, match with this. Again we will save, again rotate and place these three blue and purple in this position and match on this side. So again we will rotate like that, and this is also blue, rotate in this position. So this is extra color, rotate in this side. This is blue and purple, we will place in this position. This is yellow, we will place in this position, and this is blue and purple. So in this slide we can see we have just collect blue and purple. Same step we will apply in this position. So this is our tricky step. So whenever we will apply this step, we will collect our blue and purple from this side and we will save on this position. Okay, so first we will rotate this slide. So this is blue, we will save in this position, and now we will rotate in this side. So we have available two blue, rotate in this side, rotate like that, and we will save these two pieces in this position like that. So they are saved. Again we will rotate this slide, so they are also blue and purple. Rotate in this position and we will save in this side. Again we will rotate this slide and collect these two purple. We can collect from this position, so we will place these two purple and rotate like that. So they are also done. Again we will save it in this side. Again rotate this slide like that and place any two blue purple in this side. So we have blue and purple pair, and we will place this blue and purple pair like that, then rotate, and again we will save these pieces in this position. So this is also done. Now we will replace these two yellow, so place yellow in this side, and first we will collect blue and purple. So this is our pair, so we will just place this pair in this position, then rotate this slide and replace, and now we will save our these pieces. So they are also done. Now we will replace yellow and red with blue and purple. So place yellow and red in this side, and now we can see there is purple, purple, blue, blue, blue. So we have no any pair in this position. So first we will make our pair. For example, this is blue. We will carry this purple, match with this. So we have complete our pair. We will place our pair in this side, and now we will replace it. So this is done. Again we will save in this position, and we will replace these two yellow. So place yellow in this position. Again first we will make any pair in this position. So this is blue. We will place blue in this position, and we can carry this purple and match with this. So this is also pair. Now we will replace like that. This is also saved. So now we have left with this last extra piece. So we will place this extra piece in this position, and now there is blue. First we will save blue in this position. Now we will carry this second blue, and we will create pair, and now we will place pair in this side and rotate this slide and replace. So our first step we have completed. We can see in this side we have collect all purple and blue, and in this second side we have collect all yellow and red. So we have collected two color in this position and two in this position. Now we will just arrange our pieces. So this is very simple and easy step. For example, if I select all blue in this position, so 1 2 3 4 5 blue we have available. We will rotate this slide and we will place these blue. Again rotate in this position, so they are also fixed. Again we will replace these two purple like that, and we will place this blue in this position and match with this. Again we will bring it up and match these four purple on this side. This is done, and replace this blue. So rotate like that, bring it up and place these two purple in this side, and again bring it up and place blue in this side. So in this side we have completed our all pieces, and we have created this kind of situation. I mean purple, blue, purple. So when we find this kind of situation, this is our tricky step. We cannot solve this step manually like that. If I match this purple, match this blue, match this purple, match this blue, So we will find again and again same this kind of situation. So we can solve this situation very easily. So we will just select any two piece. We will select one blue and purple piece, and we will place these two pieces in this slide, and we will rotate like that. And now we can see in this side we have blue in this top side and purple in this down side. So we will change these two pieces position. We will place blue in this down side and purple in this top side. So very easy. We will stay blue in this position, then we will stay purple in this side. We will bring this blue down and match on this side. So we can see we have changed these two color position. So we will bring it back, and now we can see in this side we have solved our this cube. And now we will solve our this side B. So same step we will apply in this side. For example, if I collect all red in this position, so we will stay these two red in this side. We will place these three yellow on this position. Again we will match this red in this side, bring it up, match this yellow. Again we will bring it up, match with this red. Again we will bring it up, match these three yellow. Again we will match these three red, and again we will match these yellow. We will match this red, match this yellow. We will match this red and match this yellow and this red. And again we can see we have same situation. For example, if I match this yellow, if I match this red, so again and again we will create same situation. So this error we cannot solve. So again we will place any two different color in this side, and we will replace with this. And now again we will change these two color position. We will bring up this yellow and bring down this red. So very easy. We will stay this red and place yellow. Again we will bring it down this red and bring it back. So we have changed these two color position, and we will bring it back. And now first we will solve this side. Just we will match like that. Okay, so this side we have solved, and now we will solve second side, and we have changed our position, so we can see we have complete our pair. So this is also done. Okay, so this is also fixed, this is also fixed. So this is very simple and very interesting Rubik's Cube. So I just request to everyone, please like and subscribe my channel. And also in my description I have provided all these cubes solution. Thank you.